Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to replace this Acura MDX 2022-21 key fob battery replacement, also used for different models. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Very common battery, and a flathead. So let's get into it. After you take the emergency key out, as you can see right here, there is a small slot. Okay, I will try to show you this way. It's going to be easier. Right here. So I just put the flathead inside and I turn clockwise. Very gently, no need to apply a lot of pressure. Just like that. And it comes out. Once again, right here, take the emergency key out. Flathead, make sure it's big enough, okay, not to damage the key or the cover, and you turn clockwise and it comes off. Now, as I said, CR2032, right here the battery comes. Now this is a good battery, so I'll use it again. To put it back, you just slide it in and you push. Once again, right here to take it out. Take the new battery, put it back, you press, put the cover, the emergency key, and that's it. No need to reprogram or anything. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Have a good day.